Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host for the day, Stacy, and we're going to be doing some helpful heifer tricks and tips. We're going to do a half square triangle for you today. But before we get started, I'd like to give a quick shout out and thank you to Husqvarna Viking, Creative Grids Rulers, and Wilmington Print Fabrics. All right, so today we're going to be working on half square triangles. We're going to work with this beautiful blooming blue Wilmington print fabric, and I'm going to teach you how to make half square triangles the quick and easy way because we use a lot of them in our patterns. So what you're going to do is you're going to start out with two squares the same size, and you're going to draw a line from corner to corner on the wrong side of your lighter material. I'm going to use my Creative Grids Seams Fix to help me write my line. So I'm just going to lay that on my material, and if you can see, I've got my point here in the corner, and I'm going to just draw down, and whenever I get to the other corner, because it's not quite long enough, I'm just going to move my ruler as I go. All right, so now that I've got my two lines drawn, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to layer my dark fabric on bottom and my light fabric on top, right sides together, and I'm just going to stitch a line down both of these drawn lines that I've drawn. Okay, so I have both of my lines stitched, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use my regular ruler, and I'm just going to lay it right on top of that stitch, and it's going to hang over that stitch 1/4 of an inch to cut. Okay, now I want my half square triangles to finish at 4.5 inches. So now I'm going to use my 4-in-1 Creative Grids trimming tool. So this is perfect for half square triangles. I'm going to trim this one here. And what you do is you're going to want to find this 4.5 inch line on the ruler. And mine is right here, if you can see that. And I'm going to lay that right here on my seam allowance. So that 4.5 inch line is going right across my seam allowance. And I'm just going to take my Creative Grids rotary cutter and I'm going to trim both of those off. Now I have the perfect 4.5 inch sized half square triangle. And I always press towards the dark side, that way it doesn't show through the light fabrics. That was really, really quick and easy, and now you'll have all the tips and tricks that you need to make most of our helpful heifer patterns, or at least a lot of them. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure that you stop by the website, thequiltedcow.com, to pick up your blooming blue material, and like and subscribe us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Rotary Cutters, and Mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.